今天推荐一款凯格信668 Pro 打磨笔，一套配有7个打磨头 ，One set comes with 7 grinding heads。TPC 充电线即可充电 ，TPC charging cable can be charged。打磨笔一共有5个档次 ，There are 5 grades of grinding pen。轴承特别稳，绝不晃动。The bearing is very stable and will never shake。更换打磨头非常简单快捷 ，Changing the grinding head is quick and easy。主板切割 ，Motherboard cutting。顶部罩切割 ，Shielding cover cutting。尾部滑丝切割螺丝 ，Tail thread cutting screw。抛光打磨头到手机 ，Polishing head to mobile phone。打磨笔就选凯格信牌。